A YouTube employee shared with me the most important secret why some content creators are not successful. I thought to myself, maybe it's worth sharing with you. So let's do so. So we are going to talk about it. Have you ever heard people complaining that YouTube does not have money, but they have views, yet they are not making money? The problem sometimes is not YouTube, it's you. Okay? So, this person says to me, you know, Bongs, hey, I saw something. You know, it's something very small. But YouTube notices something very small, and that's why you're not, like, it's this small. So, we went into my analytics. We went deep into we took the channel, the SA Infotainment podcast. So we dissect the videos. You will remember that when Lawrence was trending, I made a video. There's a video that went within a few days, it was already on 50,000 views. And then I also covered Utabo Baxter, by the way. No, not the trial that is not the new trial now. Then I did some other stories that went well besides the Senzo Meiwa case. But here's the thing where, because I was like, why am I not making money? But you're looking at the numbers, and this person says, listen, what you don't know is you must be careful of how you create content. We're not talking about the equipment. We're talking about you as a person. When you talk about the Senzo Meiwa case, there are certain type of people that will watch that video. The algorithm has figured out those people, knows their gender, it knows their age. That's why it reflects on your stats. But when you talk about Lawrence, because Lawrence is trending, it is related to your channel, but you are now attracting a new audience. Now, you will make more views talking about Lawrence, but it's new audience. When it comes to making money, you'll make less money. You don't get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. What they are simply saying is the story of Lawrence, it's a figurative. There are things that I've done on the channel where I uploaded things that are crime related. And this person was like, when we look at your stats, we realize that when you post this type of a content, people who are usually watching your content are not watching, but rather new people are coming in. And the algorithm lowers the CPM because this is new audience. That's why sometimes you'll have more views, less money. Let me repeat this. That's why sometimes you'll have more views, less money. So in other words, if you choose to create a content on about around technology, stick to technology. Because the day you realize, when I talk about finance, you're talking about a different audience now from your channel. And then you will have contradicting things. So that is the importance also of having, that's why I have different YouTube channels. One of the reasons, let me teach people why. Do not mix content in one channel that has got the potential of contradicting the analytics of your channel. Oh, Bongan, uvule iskolo ku YouTube. Kodwa labantu ababhadali. These people are not paying. Guys, I'm surprised that I'm giving this information to you for free, right? And yet you're not paying me. Guys, there's a simple way for you to pay me. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. Guys, please watch most of my videos and watch them until the end, and even the previous videos, because I need a watch hour of about 2,000. It is 900. It is 1,900 and something. So let's just say because it's 4,000. So we need the other 2,000. So it will come by you watching my videos longer, and watch the previous one. That's a favor that I'm asking from you. Now let's continue. You guys need to understand that. Let me use my fellow content creator here, Lelo. There's a channel on YouTube she's no longer posting called Lelo N Podcast. So what Lelo used to do, she used to do the Senzo Meiwa case. And then she used to have interviews on the very same YouTube channel later on though. I knew that this is going to be a problem. You know why? Because the people that she's interviewing, most of them, even if it's somehow some of her guests were related to the content, but some were not. I'll give an example. She interviewed one of the child who belongs to Ubaba Uashilim Mhlope. That story was not related to the channel. It might have done well, but it's a new audience. So it would have been better for her to start a new YouTube channel where she's interviewing people, especially if you are going to talk about something that is not related to the Meiwa case. It's better to start a new YouTube channel and then build it. You understand? Now, with that being said, there's another secret that a lot of people don't know that they should know when it comes to making more money on YouTube, more revenue. When you post your video, YouTube, you've got two options. Number one, you can manually put the ads, but you can do that via laptop or desktop, PC or laptop. Two, if you're uploading with your phone, you do not have that option. But what YouTube does, it automatic, even if you're uploading with your laptop, if you don't click that option, what YouTube is going to do, it is going to say automatic placing of the ads. You know what I've actually came to realize? Sometimes they play in a 30-minute video, they will place only 3 ads, or sometimes 2 ads. But you know what? You know where you want to see that this person has manually placed ads. And now this is a crack. From October, a lot of advertisers will promote more things, right? October, November, December. There are a lot of ads on YouTube. That's where most money is made. December is the highest. A person who has placed ads automatically, you will notice that. Hey, I'm afraid to say it, but it's a fact that we need to make money. Remember that in South Africa, we don't have a lot of sponsors. If we had a lot of sponsors, some of this YouTube, I'll switch off the ads and you don't get distraction until the end of the video. But unfortunately, we don't have a lot of sponsors, right? So we depend on the YouTube AdSense revenue. So for us to make that money, you know what we need? We need to have more ads. Yes, it's not good for you, but it's good for money. It's good for us. And very unfortunate. So those are small things that are there, but people are not paying attention to them. Tell me something. In today's video, what is it that you learned which you didn't know? 2, what is it that you will take from this video and you are going to implement either on your existing YouTube channel or as you create a new content? 3, what is it that you wish I should have said, which I didn't say? Comment in the comment section below and say, Bongs, please teach me this. I am aware that there's a person who says, Bongani, please mentor me. Let me say this. I saw a lady with MK Party. She was wearing an MK Party regalia at the top. And she complained that sometimes she lost her phone, she couldn't post. And I'm like, you should be having money. There's this guy who commented here and said that, yeah, Bongani, please mentor me. And that guy has a channel. I'm like, okay, we need to deal with this channel. I will find ways. Maybe I will go live and then we do that. But That information is important for people to understand. That is how you make money on YouTube. Don't forget that. Till we meet again, good people, please take care.